Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be how will be your career in 3 to 6 months. So what are the changes will come in your career from 3 to 6 months. Okay, so this is career reading. This is requested by one of the viewer. So we will see how will be your career in 3 to 6 months. I know views will be less because all the viewers are interested in love readings only, but sometimes I have to take other requests also, so I'm doing the career reading today. Okay, so we will see in 3 to 6 months how will be your career. Okay, we have two piles here as usual. One is white quartz and other one is black tourmaline. So you can choose whichever stone you are intuitively connected with. If you need more time, you can pause the video and meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. And please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody, so please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, if you want any personal readings, you can contact me. My details are given below, and if you can send me an email, then I can give you the time. Okay, so that's all I have for you to say, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that my videos can reach through other people also, whoever needs the guidance. Then please comment if you like the reading, or if my readings are resonating with you. Please leave a comment in the comment section. I love to read all your comments. And also, if you want any different kind of readings, you can request me, and definitely I will do, because most of the times I will do the viewers request only. Okay, so please do that. So then, without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Okay, whoever chose this white quartz, this reading is for you. How will your career, how will be your career in 3 to 6 months? Let's see. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Whoever needs the job or different career change or whatever it is, please give them some guidance. Some people want to leave their job and they want to start a business, or they want to leave the job and shift to different career. Please give us some guidance what the life will be, what the career will be in 3 to 6 months. Maybe most of them are waiting for the job. They are applying, but apply no reply. So there are different types of viewers in my channel, so for all of them, please give them some guidance regarding their career. Let's see. Okay, it is Ace of Wands. That means Ace of Sons, Astrologer, Lady. Okay, and bottom of the deck we have Astronomer. Okay, we have Astrologer, Astronomer and the Lady. So let's see. Okay. For many of you, I feel that the viewer is a female, and most of my viewers are females only, but still, in this reading, I can see a female who is independent and who is self-confident, and you guys are looking for job or a job change. Okay, for them there will be a new beginning will be coming, because Ace of Wands is there. Ace of Wands means it is a passionate, fiery new beginning will happen. Okay, and the astronomer, astrologer, these depict like you will be more abundant, because it is astronomer is kind of a money card. Okay, so you will get lot of money, and you will be abundant. You know, you will not have any problem with finance. Okay, so financially you will be very abundant. Actually, here I can see two positive, very positive cards here. So one is astronomer and also the lady. Okay, lady means it's empress, means what else you want, friends? Actually, you will be very very abundant, and I can see whatever you start this year or in this 3 to 6 months, it will be very very prosperous. Like you will grow like anything, because empress means a lady who is pregnant. That means the baby is growing and growing day by day, isn't it? So it is also growth of your wealth. Okay, so growth of your abundance. Maybe you started a new job. Maybe you are asking like, will I be permanent here? I'm in a probationary period. Will I be permanent here? Will I be a permanent employee in this organization? Will they recruit me? Okay, so maybe you are an apprentice and you are asking about that. And astronomer card also will is confirming that definitely you will succeed, because I can see only earth signs and the fire signs. That means it is combination of fire and earth. That means money and the passion. Okay, so you are very passionate, you want to do something different. Okay, so compared to whatever you are doing right now, you are not liking this job, or whatever you are in right now, you don't like it. So you have taken a daring step, and you left this. Okay, whether it is a job or a business or whatever it is, you left it. And now you don't know what to do, you are confused. What will be my career, what will be my future in this 3 to 6 months? That's what your question is. But all the cards are very very positive, friends. I can see a lot of growth and lot of abundance. But let us clarify with the other deck also, and we will see. Let's pull some more cards from the Universal Tarot deck, so that we can get more clarity. So how will be their career in 3 to 6 months? Spirits, please answer, please guide them. See, please guide them, please give us some clarity. How their life will be, how their career will be in these 3 to 6 months. Let's see. So first one is the Emperor. Four of Cups. 10 of swords, and the Hanged Man. Okay, so right now I can see many of you are stuck in a position. You are not able to leave the job, you are not able to move ahead, you are not able to choose something else. You are stuck in your life right now, you don't know what to do, you are confused. Maybe some of you already left the job and you are waiting for the new offers, new opportunity, but you don't know which stream you want to go, which particular job you want. So you are scattered into different directions. That's why this card came like Hanged Man. So you don't know what to do, you are confused, you are stuck, you are like you want success, but you don't know how to get it. You are very ambitious, very self-confident, educated, qualified, experienced, but still you are not able to find any job, or find any right thing, right profession that you want to go ahead with. But I can see the Emperor card is confirming that even you remember the last spread we have Empress and now we have Emperor. So they are both are indicating strongly that you will be getting into some leadership role. Okay, maybe you are right now, maybe you are like working under somebody. Okay, so but you don't want to work like that, you don't want to want someone to rule on you, like you want to be your own boss. That is what is happening now. So the Emperor card means you will get a leadership position, or for some of you it might be you will get a police job or army, you will get into army, but definitely some leadership role you will get, because I feel that many of my viewers are not youngsters, they are little bit aged, like I can say maybe the 30s or 30 plus or 40 plus. Some of you are 50 plus also. So I can see that they are well experienced, but suddenly they don't want to continue the same thing, they want to change. their profession, or they want to change their career into different direction. And one more thing I can see, you have one offer ready. Okay, so some universe is offering something, but you are not even looking at that. So you are constantly thinking about what is ended, you are grieving about the past. Okay, so maybe 2 3 jobs you didn't get through, or 2 3 interviews you didn't get through, so you are sad about that, but you are not looking about one offer that universe is offering you. So pretty soon this offer will come to you, but make sure that you will grab this offer, because universe want to offer you something. Okay, you are in a sad situation, I know, but universe is offering something new, something very good for you. So be prepared to take that offer. So you are in a deep pain, you feel that all have betrayed you, or in the whatever job you are doing, so many politics, or maybe they are demotivating you, or they are insulting you, or no value for you. Whatever you do, you are not getting that much recognition or a value. So you are very sad, you feel that this is ending, I mean, I don't want to continue in this form or in this profession. So you are deeply hurt. Okay, you are bleeding, so you don't want to continue in this profession or in this job. So something is strongly ended, because 10 of swords means it is ending of a job, okay, or a career. Okay, basically whatever it is. Okay, so you are ending that career, finally you are stopping. Okay, so now you want to move ahead with a positivity, and you want to move in a different direction, not in the same direction, same old this shit. Okay, so you want to do something different. Okay, so that's what I can see, that universe is saying that right now you are hanged, you are in a difficult situation, you ended something recently, and you are very very sad, painful situation. But don't worry, universe is giving you an offer, and you will have a passionate new beginning in this job or career, profession, whatever it is. Okay, so don't worry, and lot of abundance is there, all cards are positive. So let me pull one guidance card for my pile 1 people. Universe, please give us some guidance and clarity, where which profession they should choose, and whether they have to work from home, or they have to go to job, or they have to do business, or whatever it is. Please give us some guidance, because my viewers are in a confusion state. So give them some clarity, spirits, please. Okay, the Chariot. So for some people I can see that you are changing your location also, you must be traveling, and universe is saying that don't be stuck, your life will move on, you will be moving, you are not stagnant in your life. And this Chariot also, it is very rich and wealthy. Maybe you will be buying a car, or maybe you will be traveling to somewhere else, and you will be relocating to some other place. But any different scenario, I can see that you will be get a for some of you, you will get leadership role. Some of you, you will go to abroad, or move to different location. Some of you, you will start a business, and it will be very very prosperous, because we got the Queen of Pentacles and the Empress. So definitely I am getting all positive vibes, and universe is also giving you a green signal that your life will not be stuck, you will be moving on, and with a rapid speed. Okay, so Chariot is moving, see, you can see the horses how they are running, so your life is not stuck, and you will be moving on with lot of passion and courage and focus. Okay, all the best, friends. If you like my reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell symbol for more notifications regarding my next videos. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. How will be your career in 3 to 6 months? How will be your career in 3 to 6 months? How will be your career in 3 to 6 months? How will be your career in 3 to 6 months? Spirits and angels, my viewers are in a confused state. They want some clarity. How their career will be in next 3 to 6 months. Okay, please give us some guidance. the Fool, Fortune Wheel, Temperance, wow, very nice, and Seven of Suns. Okay. Okay, so I can see some of you are asking, you want to change your job right now, and you want to know whether I will get a new job or not, which profession I have to choose, in which direction I should go. So you have all this. Otherwise, for some of you, it is imbalanced uh, condition, work condition. Okay, so you don't know whether you are stable in your job or you are permanent in your job. Maybe you are in a probationary period or in a apprenticeship you are doing, so you don't know whether you will get confirmed in this job or not because of the pandemic, because of this corona. So many people lost their jobs and they don't know whether they'll be surviving in this year in the same job or not. So many of you have problems in finance and regarding job. Okay, so I can see that there are some conflicts going on in your workplace. Okay, because seven of wands are there, that means you are very very defensive. Okay, so you don't want to admit that you are wrong, and you have not done anything wrong also, but the other people, they are trying to show you that you are wrong, or your boss is not supporting you. There are some conflicts or misunderstandings or miscommunication, something is going on behind you. Okay, there are other people also involved in this, and they are trying to play politics or tricks to uh, take out your job from you, or they are giving a threat for your job. So you are really confused whether to continue in the same job, or whether you have to leave the job. You are confused. So the Fool means very soon you will be taking a risk. Okay, the decision. Okay, so you will be very courageous, and you will take a risk. You will blindly take a decision. Suddenly you might put down your papers, or suddenly you might tell, no, I don't want this job at all, I don't care if I get another job or not. That much frustrated you will be, and pretty soon you will be taking a risk in your life. Maybe it is you are coming into trading stock market, or you are starting a new business, or something like that. Okay, so you are leaving one job and you are going to something else. Okay, and because you don't have the balance in your life, in your career life, so you want to get the balance, but universe is saying that you will get the chance now. So maybe till now you are in a not in a career growth is not that much, so you are stuck stagnant and you don't know what to do. But universe is saying wheel is turning into your favor. That means if you had lot of problems in the past, then definitely the wheel is turning into your favor, and the recognition will come, the value will come. So whatever you are expecting, okay, whatever you are doing right now, so you will get the recognition, value, growth, abundance, everything you will get. Okay, but let's see more cards. Okay, so we will pull some cards from a universal tarot deck, and we will see how will be their career 3 to 6 months. Spirits, how will be my pile 2 people's career in next 3 to 6 months? Please give us some clarity and guidance. So some of them, some of my viewers lost their job and they are in a difficult situation. They lost their self-confidence, they lost their self-worth, they are crying, they are in pain. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay. Wow, very nice. You will come into your power definitely. Queen of Pentacles, that will be both leadership and money related. Okay, Two of Cups. Some partnership you will take, friends, and I definitely see that this is kind of a new venture you are starting. It is not kind of a job related situation. Maybe you are taking a partnership with someone else who you trust. Okay, so you will be taking a partnership. You have nice bond between you. This is actually a love related card. Actually, two of cups means it is love related card. Maybe some of you are uniting with your boyfriend or girlfriend, and you are starting a partnership, business partnership with that. But Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Swords, both of them say that you will be surely in a leadership position, and you will have lot of money and lot of power actually. So you will be very very proud, and I cannot say proud, actually self confident I can say. And you have lot of self respect, and you don't want anybody to blame you or insult you or defame you, demotivate you. So you don't allow all these things. So it is basically it is you don't allow any BS in your life. Okay, and some many of my viewers are single moms. I can see very determined, very strong, abundant, good looking and passionate, ambitious viewers. My viewers are, some of you are that. And single moms especially, I can see single moms. But don't worry, you will come back to your power, because the thing is, the sword is there in your hand. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. If the people are doing you wrong, then you will cut the BS. Okay, and but you are confused with so many options. I can feel that you have so many options. Maybe you have different jobs, or maybe you want to, as a partnership is there, so you want to go to this business side. So you are completely confused. The world is open for you. Okay, the world is an open platter for you. So many dishes are there, you don't know what to choose. So you don't know what direction to choose, which profession to choose, which one is good for me. So that is what you are asking. Okay, but don't worry, whatever you have, you are highly intuitive, and definitely you will take a right decision. And whatever decision you take, you will be abundant and you will be powerful in that position. But let us ask one guidance card from spirits and angels, so that they can give you some clarity. Angels and spirits, my viewers are confused actually. They have lot of options, but they are confused what to choose, whether to choose the job or business or stocks or trading or software or teacher. What job is good for them? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is good for them? Wow, Empress. Okay, so universe is saying that whatever business venture, for this pile, universe is saying that you are thinking about some business to start with, so in a partnership. They are saying, universe is saying that you will grow abundantly. The Empress card means it is very very like growing. The Empress means pregnant lady, and the baby inside her womb is growing day by day. Similarly, your life, your career life, your finances will improve day by day. You don't you no need to worry about that, you no need to think about that. You will be very abundant, I can say. Because Empress means you already got Queen of Pentacles, you already got Queen of Swords. Now the Empress means Queen of Queens. Okay, very very strong and powerful, and the creator, I can say. She is the creator. So you are the creator. You will be creating a new venture, new business, new ideas. Okay, new things you will start, and you will be blessed by the universe. You will be abundant. Okay, all the best friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.